So.
Man, what you up to, man?
I'm recording.
What it do, what it do? Boogie Gang, it's your boy Hanger Ace Boogie, man. So today, come with you with this unique video. So your boy done purchased the Hemi Life 44 pedal controller pedal box. So this is how it looks. It's the Bluetooth kind. 2 plugs. Yeah. So we gonna hook it up and see what you gonna do, man. This little bag it came in. I know you've seen a few people that reviewed it besides him and Life, YouTube on a budget and 392, or is it 392 Lime Scat Pack? Or Lime Scat Pack 392? One of them. She from North Carolina, I think. So I don't know the 2 people I've seen that reviewed it so far. So the boy said he'll take a chance on it and get on one and see what it do. I already downloaded. I ain't download, but I done scanned the PR code to get the instructions and things like that on doing it. It's really kind of simple, not really hard. I took the liberty to unhooking the negative on my battery and things like that to reset the whole car. So I already did that. But if it's hooked up like any other pedal thing I done had hooked up, it's pretty simple. Three connections. 2 connections. Yep, 2 connections. One go into the throttle, and the throttle goes into the pedal box. So, yep, 2 connections. But it's pretty simple. It's not that hard of doing it. I'm just looking at that thing. Then you connect it by Bluetooth to your thing, to your pedal box. All right, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and do this very fast, and once I finish doing it, I'll show you how it look. All right. So as y'all can see, let's see, got it pretty much hooked up. It's right there. And that's pretty much it. If I can show it to you. So, yeah, it's pretty much hooked up now. So now, I got to Bluetooth it to my phone. See, can I catch the Bluetooth part of it? Okay. Let me put all this back up under here, and I'll be right back. So, yep, I got it hooked up now. It is hooked up. This is how it looks. Download the app, everything. The theft mode, everything works on it. It does. I don't know how I'm gonna hide this thing, but it does work. Just give me just a minute. So yeah, it's hooked up. I'm gonna have to give y'all some individual pulls in it once I get everything buttoned up. I need to put my music back in. Things like that. So yeah, I need to do that. Yeah, and get that done. Just got the throttle. Won't help. I don't know. But yeah, you gotta give me a few minutes to get everything buttoned back up. We gotta get the box back in and things like that. So once I get that buttoned up, go out here, give it a couple pulls, see how it is. Of course, you know, on speed, then mine gonna be on turned up to the max. Yes, sir. Turned up to the max. I'm gonna get some pulls right fast, get my wife to move her car out the way. So, give me about 15-20 minutes. I'll be cutting this camera back on.
I'm recording. So.
Man, what you up to, man?
He's just having fun with old Big Sal. You gotta ask him all that.
I know it sounds like you changed gears about 5 times.
So yeah, getting y'all my take on the new pedal box that Him in Life and YouTube on the Budget and _392 slime pack that they did a review on it. I went and watched Him in Life video to see why sometimes it has like a when you first crank it up, it had like a hesitation to it. You don't get the full. He said you have to either put it in run mode for a few seconds, or you have to smash on the gas pedal a couple times, or one time, or whatever. It's in a protect mode when you first crank the car. For the simple fact, when people haven't drove your car or they get in your car, it doesn't take off on them. You know, they want to be like want to catch them off guard. Nothing like that, so they won't lose control of it or hit something or whatever. So yeah, on my take on it, man, yeah, I love it. It has get up and go, and it doesn't make your check engine light come on, because I had it on for a few days now, probably about 5 days now. I done had it on my car. Check engine light haven't came on or anything like that or that nature. Like on my previous throttle control I had on, my check engine light will pop on time to time and things like that. So it hasn't came on so far. If it does, I would definitely tell y'all, but it hasn't came on so far. I think I put it on with the battery disconnected. I had the battery disconnected when I put it on too. I don't know if it's necessary. They say you don't have to, but I did it for precaution reasons. So, but yeah, my take on it, man, yeah, I love it. The thing about it, you know, we give it to you. I ain't faking the flaws and then like that. It make the car sound, man, monstrous. It make it sound monstrous, and you can hear it downshifting. And the feature I love the most about it is the theft mode on it. It gives you the theft mode. You put in theft mode once you get out the car. And if anybody try to steal, you know, they like to steal these charges and stuff, man, challenges. Put it in theft mode, and there's nothing they could do about it. You know what I'm saying? It could crank it up all day. It would not give it any throttle, any gas, or anything like that. And that's the thing I love about it. It's like having a security system without having a security system. You see what I'm saying? So I love that part of it. This junk is packed. But yeah, that's my take on it, man. I mean, I paid $275. It's $299 But when you put in the promo code HEMILIFE44, it's $275, free shipping, no tax. It ships within 3 days, 3 to 5 days. I think I got mine in 3 days. Come from Cali, so it ships 3 to 5 days, and yeah, came pretty fast. You said it was gonna come in that length of time it came. So yep, I love it. Like I said, the cool feature I like about it, you got the depth mode on it, so you know how they like to steal these cars. But I say it's a nice investment, man. It give you your throttle control and it give you your alarm system all in one. So if it's something you like to invest in. Small investment, man, that will benefit in the long run. So yep, but yeah, this your boy, man. Like I told me, installed the clips, man. Me driving it up and down the street, everything like this, so you can see the burst of it, the sound of it, and things like that. Like, comment, subscribe, share, man. If you new to the video, man, new to the page, hit the subscribe button, man. Roll to 500. I'm giving away custom flow mats. Charger flow mats at 500 subscribers. I will ship them to you. And you know, we just trying to go up 2021, man. You know, it's been an awesome ride so far, man. I love it. So y'all keep hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button, man. And I appreciate it, man. And your boy gone, man.